Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of photo editing software and exploring some of the best alternatives to Photoshop. Now, don't get us wrong. Photoshop is a fantastic tool loved by many professionals and enthusiasts alike. However, it comes with a hefty price tag and can be overwhelming for beginners. So, if you are looking for something more budget-friendly or user-friendly, we have got you covered. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First up, we have GIMP. This powerful open source software offers many of the same features as Photoshop, including layers, masks, filters, and more. Plus, it's completely free to use. Next on our list is Affinity Photo. This affordable software is packed with professional-grade tools and is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Plus, it's a one-time purchase, so no subscription fees. For those of you looking for something more intuitive, we recommend Canva. While it may not have all the advanced features of Photoshop, it's incredibly easy to use and perfect for creating social media graphics, posters, and more. Plus, with its Magic Studio, you can do wonders with your projects. If you are into digital painting and illustration, look no further than Clip Studio Paint. This versatile software offers a wide range of brushes and tools specifically designed for artists. Last but not the least, we have Photopea. This web-based editor is a great alternative for those who need Photoshop-like features but don't want to download any software. Its interface is almost same as Photoshop. Just drag and drop your file or just create a new canvas of the size you want. And the best part is that you can use it for free. So there you have it all. Whether you are a professional photographer, graphic designer, or just someone who enjoys editing photos for fun, there's a Photoshop alternative out there for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.